might wonder what I'm doing. I'm doing a really cool way of starting a fire with a stick and this cool mushroom. It's called chaga. It usually grows on birch trees, and it's really helpful for starting fires. It also makes a great tea. Isn't it weird looking? Hand drill is a skill we teach at our nature school, Rewild University. Whether you're a kid or an adult, there are skills that you want to learn that take a lot of practice, and the problem is we're really hard on ourselves. I'm going to be working on this, and eventually I'll be able to do a video and show you guys that I've made a fire. But right now I'm just learning the hand motion. But how do we not be hard on ourselves? Well, as my mom says, she always says, give it 10 years. So this has happened with gymnastics and even with this. Like earlier I was doing hand drill and Liliana told me to look down and see my chaga, and I was trying to do here, but my stick was here. And I was acting like I was here, and I was like, oh my gosh. So in gymnastics, when I was 5, I knew how to do back flips and front flips really good. I lost it a couple years ago. And when I kept trying, I kept bonking my head on my knees and stuff, and it was really annoying. But yeah, just try and give yourself 10 years, and I think that'll help. One thing is to remember to love yourself. So, if you're using up all your energy punishing yourself, then you probably aren't growing as fast as you could if you were loving yourself and giving yourself chances, and instead of being like, I'm so terrible at doing this, I should never try again, be like, I just started, and it's not like every person who just started is gonna get it right away. You should expect that it'll be a couple tries before you can actually get the hand movement really good and not go off. And remember, it's okay to fail and get things wrong. We expect ourselves to get everything right, and when we get something wrong, and then we're like, I'm never gonna try it again. And I don't see the point in that, because when you get things wrong and you fail, you actually learn things like, oh, I see my hands were in the wrong direction. I should have them straighter. Or, oh, my feet forgot to be on the chaga. I should put my feet on the chaga. So it's okay to fail. Thanks for being part of my YouTube community, and I can't wait to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you.